It's so convenient. I made a reservation the day before and got a seat in Kaiduzhong. The location was easy to find, and the staff were very attentive and had more suggestions than me. Happy workshop. It was quite fun. They were able to explain clearly and helped us along the way. Nice experience, and my friends and I had a lot of fun. Klook gave me the wrong address, so we went to the wrong location. Better to call and check with the company itself before you go. The instructions for tufting was very clear and the ladies were very friendly and helpful. Tufting is hard work. Arms were sore by the end of it, but overall an enjoyable experience. Aircon needs to be better, though we were sweating the entire duration. Peas. Better to have a picture on your phone of what you want to tuft before you arrive to save time. Fun. Gets a bit tiring after a while cause you have to hold the gun up and keep firing. Make sure there's enough of that color yarn before you start the background. Prepare a photo before going to project on the board to get the pattern. There is only one auntie staff helping and she is quite helpful. You will have a tutorial at the beginning and feel free to ask any follow-up questions. There are a lot of colors to choose from and a projector is provided, so do not worry about your artistic talent. It will not take more than 5 hours. The auntie will help finishing up. Maximum 3 to 4 hours. Good couple weekend event. A great tufting experience involves selecting the perfect fabric or carpet, choosing a design that complements the space, and watching as the tufting machine brings the pattern to life. The end result is a beautiful, textured piece that adds personality and warmth to any room. The location is convenient and the instructors are attentive and provide guidance and advice from time to time. For a first attempt, it took less time than expected and the process was relatively easy. The instructor guides carefully. If I am too meticulous, if I do not have the confidence to adjust, they will help to adjust. I feel a sense of success after the adjustment, hee hee. It's a fun experience, the staff are friendly and kind, and they are very willing to guide guests. It is worth recommending. I picked a date and time early in the morning to make an appointment for tufting. There were many colors to choose from, and the staff were very helpful. They would pay attention to me and help me if I needed anything. After selecting the date and time via Klook in advance, a colleague will notify you via WhatsApp the day before the event. If you have already thought of a pattern, you can send it to the store in advance to help prepare it. So proud and fun you can make your favorite doll. It's very suitable for killing time. There are so many colors of wool, so don't be afraid that you won't be able to find the color you want. The place is so convenient, and the staff will teach you how to use the tools before the start, and they will practice to ensure that you know how to use them and control them. The space is relaxed.